How to fix your X app crashing on Android. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. So the first thing you want to do is restart your Android phone. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches and refresh the system. And if that is not working, you want to check your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. You might also simply go ahead and need to update the X application. You want to go to your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for X and update it if available. If that is not the case, you want to go to Settings, App, X, and then Storage and simply go ahead and clear cache and even clear data. Always make sure to check and grant permissions for storage, for microphone, camera, and so on. And if your Android has any updates, simply go ahead and update it as well. If none of it works, just try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.